far away from school. This is Unit 5, Lesson 8, Cool Down. Kieran lives 7 kilometers from school. How many meters from school does he live? Explain or show your reasoning. All right, so we have kilometers and we have meters. So I'm going to start by writing down what I know about meters and kilometers. Well, I know 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. I also know Kieran lives 7 kilometers from school. The question wants to know how many meters that is. So, each of these 7 kilometers is going to be worth 1,000. So, in this case, I would multiply 7 times 1,000 gives me 7,000 meters. So Kieran lives 7,000 meters from school. So let's look at question number 2. And I'm going to switch colors, do blue. Question 2. A classmate of Kieran's lives 800 meters from school. Does he live closer or farther away from school than Kieran? Okay, for this question, I'm actually going to make a little drawing. Let's see. From the question, our unit is meters. And we're comparing Kieran to a classmate. So here's school, little door, call that school. And let's just say here is Kieran's house. So we're talking in meters. I found out in problem 1 that Kieran is 7,000 meters from school. So from Kieran's house all the way to school, this is 7,000 meters. So from the problem, that's what I know. The question is asking, does Kieran's classmate live closer or further away from school than Kieran? Well, we know the classmate is 800 meters from school. So the classmate, we'll just do that color. So the classmate is 800 meters from school. Well, 800 is less than 7,000. So that classmate is going to be much closer to school. That's the doorknob. So the classmate from here to school, we would have 800, that's an 8, meters. So I can clearly see that the classmate is closer to the school. Now I need to explain my reasoning. The classmate lives, closer to school. I know this because $800 meters is less than 7,000 meters. All right, you guys. So sometimes a drawing is very helpful. Also, this question depended on your answer to number 1. If you got number 1 wrong, then you probably got number 2 wrong, because number 2 was just based on number 1. Also, this is my friendly reminder. Write down what you know about the units mentioned in the problem. Then write out what it is you have to find out. Keep your same units on the same side. So this is meters. These are both kilometers over here. Okay, I'm getting a little sloppy. Okay. We had a lot of kids struggle with this one, so hopefully this helps.